Hello everyone, NMB Box Breaks doing a box break on a 2014-15 Upper Deck Artifacts Hockey. We're going to go show you the time and date. It is Tuesday, 9/01, June 9th. And here are all 30 spots. So thank you for everyone getting in. And what we're going to do is we're going to randomize this 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. You got Jeffrey 67407 at 1, down to Joe V at 30, and you see it's been randomized 3 times. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste. And there you go, you got Jeffrey at 1, down to Joe V at 30. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do the teams. They start out alphabetical order, Anaheim to Winnipeg. And we're going to go ahead and randomize this 3 times. There's 1, 2, and 3. You got the Florida Panthers at 1, down to Calgary at 30, and randomize 3 times. So again, we'll copy and paste. I don't know if I showed it randomized 3 times. Go and copy and paste. And there you go, that's Florida down to Calgary. All right, now we'll go slow and everyone can get their teams. All right. Let's go ahead and tape this camera down. Alright, this box has 10 packs, 4 cards per pack. There's the number on the listing there. This is my second Artifact 14-15 that I've done. First one had some pretty good hits. Kind of hoping we'll get either like a fight strap or some sticks maybe in this one. Or I know they have like 6-person swatches. Alright, so anyone new? For those guys new, I'll put base cards on my right. Hits go to my left. And here we go. There are parallels to the base set. They're all numbered with like sapphire and emerald, and so the number is right there on front. There's just your typical base card. All right, here's the Artifacts Rookie Redemption Anaheim Ducks. I'm not going to go ahead and scratch that, but this is going to go to the Anaheim Ducks. So we don't know what the player is, but again, we know it's going to Anaheim. And it's showing on the back side. It does not say no who it was. I didn't think so. So, all right, so we'll send that out to Anaheim, and you can collect your redemption. Just another base card. All right. All right, one pack, 1 hit. This feels pretty thick, so hopefully that's something good here. Move that down right. There we go. All right, here's your Emerald dual jersey. Okay, so you got a jersey and a patch. Jakub Voracek, Philadelphia Flyers, 50 out of 75. So nice low number, and you see that's a jersey and that's a patch. There's the back side of that. Nice looking card there. So jersey patch card. Base card there. All right, here's a nice autograph. Drew LeBlanc, Chicago Blackhawks. My Hawks here fighting for the Stanley Cup here. Let's see, get this backside to come in a little better. There you go. There's the backside of that. No number on this. At least I didn't see on the backside. Nothing on the front. So no number on this. Drew LeBlanc, Chicago Blackhawks. I'm just looking at 32. Anything under 100 is a base card. Sure. Base card. All right, here's a Jonas Hiller goaltender card. Numbered 16 out of 999. All the goaltenders, you get one, I think there's one goaltender card in each box, and they're number 9, numbered. Any goalie cards. So there's another hit for Anaheim. All right, here's your rookie card, Ty Rattie, St. Louis Blues, number 248. 248 out of 999. Backside of that card. So Ty Rattie, St. Louis Blues. Diamond card, and Ryan Kessler. All right, so that's half of it. We got 5 more to go. All right, here's a Tundra Tandems. Josh George and David Descharnes. Montreal Canadiens, dual jersey. Nice looking card there. See the back side of that. Nice hit here for Montreal. Logan Couture, just looking, yep, 92. It's weird he's got the NHL All-Star jersey on. Here's the treasured swatches. Sam Gagner, Edmonton Oilers, dual jersey. Nice looking card there. Edmonton Oilers. And 3 packs left. See if we get some, maybe a stick or strap of some sort. Here's an Artifacts, Corey Perry. This is a parallel off the base card. Numbered 7 out of 85. Another hit for Anaheim. That's a 3rd one for them. Here's another goalie card. I thought they said 1 a box, but here's our second one. Cam Ward, Carolina Panthers. And it's a ruby, number 145 out of 499. So a nice low number on that card. Nice. Cam Ward. All right, last pack here. Actually, we got a Ruby there. Here's a Ruby rookie card, Cedric Paquette, Tampa Bay Lightning. 314 out of 499. And that's just your base card. Alright guys, that shall do it. Thanks, I appreciate you guys getting in the break. Later on tonight, I'm going to be doing this rookie anthology maybe in another hour or so. So I know there's spots still left, so maybe around 10:30 or so I'm going to do that, 11ish. So you got time to buy some last spots if you want. I do have these two going right now, SPX Crown Royal. This triple threads has a few spots left. If it does sell out, I'll do it tonight also. So if you want to get in on the last few spots here, you can. And that's it, guys. I'll be putting some new stuff out. I don't know if I'll get to it next week, but the week after, I'll be looking for some more new boxes, some hockey, maybe another football. And always looking for baseball, but can't quite find what I like. So anyway, thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Oh, if you bought from me on eBay, if you can please give me positive feedback, I appreciate it. And also, if you're buying on eBay, my website, it is cheaper on my website, so if you want to take a look there. Thanks, guys.